A star fell from the sky. Oh, where's my sparkle? She cried. A firefly buzzed, follow me.
You can create such compelling story video with high quality visuals using Sora 2, and it's free of cost, and wherever you're located it will work everywhere. And this tool can also generate AI advertisement, UGC advertisement for your product too. So yeah, in this video I'll walk you through every step on how you can create such videos with high quality animation visuals with just using one prompt trick, and that's it. You can create bulk of videos, how long, however you want. It's totally up to you. How you can generate stories, script, it's all in this video. So yeah, this video is all you need with this using Sora 2 and generate crazy amount of stories, skits, cartoon, whatever you want. Okay, I'm Aditya and you're watching Skill Curve. So first we will go to the HeyGen.com, and this is the main interface. After logging in, you can just log in from anywhere, and this is simple interface. You can see there are so many options here, and we have to address all of them one by one. This is photo to video, this is quick avatar video, this is to video to translate you, but you can look this. Generate AI videos using Sora 2, and this is where the main fun is. You can also use this create avatar, you can create interactive avatar, you can create images, product placement, and now you can also see the UGC ad video. Now let's first talk about the UGC advertisement video, because this is real quick and fun. So you click on the UGC ad video option and you can see a very interesting pop-up comes, and here we have to be a little bit careful because this is where a lot of people mistake. You can see just simple, you have to upload your product image, and it could be anything. For example, I go to the website of Lay's and see there are so many products. I just can simply go to this classic Lay's. However, it's for example, and you can just copy your own product images, totally up to you. Just give a little bit description so the video gets real spicy. Okay, you can just simply take it here and go to the HeyGen's basic homepage, and once you get it here, you just paste it here. Oh wow, this looks cool. Now one thing you have to notice is there is also a custom avatar video. Let's talk about. So if you want a custom avatar advertisement, you can just fill it with your avatar photo, but I will just leave it here because I don't need a proper avatar for that. Okay, now let's see the selection model. You can see right now we have Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. Sora 2 Pro is for, if you have paid subscription, but Sora 2 is also very good and it can work too, so you don't have to worry about that. You can just simply title your video anything, maybe UGC, and here you can now have to position your avatar. Like your position should be avatar on top, right, bottom left. I find bottom left very appealing, especially for Instagram ads. Okay, now you have to select the duration of your advertisement. I'm doing a demo, I can just select 8 seconds so it generates quick. Now you have to understand how big your avatar should be on the screen. 0.5 is pretty small. You can take it to 1 or maybe just totally up to you. I would say just 0.5 is good for this demonstration purpose, and simply click on generate a video option, and that's it. Okay, so you can see right now it's just 8-second video as we selected, but have you ever looked at how cool this video is?
Lay's Classic. Simple, crunchy, and made with only potatoes, oil, and a touch of salt. It's the timeless snack that tastes like
of that Lay's and stuff. It's generated by the Sora 2, and you can see how original they are sounding with the crisp sound and all that stuff. Also, one thing you can notice is the guy in the avatar speaking here has also very interesting lip syncing. I mean, you can actually generate your product with just simple image of your product. That's it. This is why HeyGen, the Sora 2 version, is interesting. You can also do the command, translate, totally up to you. But now the purpose of this video has came. That this was the purpose, like making AI generated advertisement for a product. Now it's been done. Now let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so now let's talk about the main purpose of this video, which is video agent. So you have to see in the very left bar of the corner of the HeyGen. Here you can see the video agent. Once you click here, you can see a chat GPT like interface, very minimal and very funny. Okay, let's just side this up, and now let's talk about this video fun. Okay, because they have so many options, we have to be careful about that. So first you have to edit your prompt here. Totally simple. Now next thing you can see right now here, the plus icon. Here you can upload your assets like images, the avatar you want to add, totally up to you. Now here on the @ here you can actually choose your avatar. You can click here and you can select your avatar. I have these avatars on the line. You can select any of these and go with the video. However, I will not use any avatar for now. And here you can select the duration of your video, 15-second video, 30-second video, and auto will be selected, and it will just generate the videos how long it wants. Here you can select the portrait version or landscape version. I'm a big fan of landscape version, so just select it. And now the most important part, this. You can simply see this option of Sora 2 beta, and you have to select all this on. You just have to enable this option, and now all the images and the B-roll stuff will be generated with the Sora 2. If you don't know how they got Sora 2, so the HeyGen team on the Twitter said they got early access for the Sora 2 and a grant to use this on their website. Okay, now you have to just simply prompt here and wait for the videos to come.
Time whispers secrets if one listens closely. Secrets lost, yet to be found. Each tick a memory, each talk a dream. Time, not a measure, but treasure to hold.
Okay, so you don't get bored. I already made few videos out of this so you can see and enjoy this. So first I gave a very interesting prompt, a fluffy orange cat wearing sunglasses in DJ in neon light underground club, and the crowd is made of dancing robots, aliens, and a weird kind of people you can ever imagine. The prompt is very funny. I just took it from ChatGPT, by the way. If you don't know how to do that, just simply come here and I just said give me a testing model prompt, and they gave it here. Okay, simple. Now let's talk about how we're gonna use this. We just copy this prompt, pasted it, and it started reasoning. This model started reasoning. Now it generated a topic, a fluffy orange cat, which is DJing for robots, aliens in the neon club, and this is what exactly we wanted. We just give the viewers who love fun, chaotic, meme-worthy videos. The theme is high energy electronic dance music. Video length will be roughly 15 seconds, and the video orientation will be landscape as I selected, and you can see the English should be United States and all that stuff. You can read right now, a cool and confident male voice. Now you can see the main part here. AI video generated by Sora 2 to create the neon club dancing robots and stuff, and you can caption, enable it and disable it. I just enable it because it's not gonna harm you anyways. So it says for permission, I just say hey yes, generated video, and boom, we have our own cat video. Now let's watch this.
Welcome to the Cosmic Club. Volume up. Feel that bass? Magic. Let's party, legends. Robots, dance. Aliens, dame tu casita. Go wild. Confetti. Perfect. Energy high.
I really like this video, the way it is weird the video, and this is I want to tell you that you can actually generate such kind of great images, videos with the Sora 2 using HeyGen. Okay, this video was just an example. We have so many to talk about. Okay, so another video we have is very interesting. We just captioned it like, hey, a sweet old grandma in a tracksuit performs Parker across city rooftop. She flips over fences, slides under pipes, and landscape perfectly heroic pose. And you can read the prompt. I'm not gonna read it because it's pretty boring whenever you read the prompt, and you can read the entire summary given by the HeyGen. It roughly 20-second video landscape, and best thing about HeyGen is here it is doing some kind of reasoning by creating commentary on that video using the B-roll by Sora 2, and this all that requires a lot of process, and it's generating these videos very quickly. Let's see this video fun. Like we got a drone shot of a granny who is on the rooftop, just dashing like Subway Surfer girl. Let's see it.
Sweet Grandma Agnes enjoys a peaceful day. She's got a secret. Oh no, her purse flies away. Agnes transforms and is off. Granny flips over a fence.
Okay, so this is animated version of her, like Pixar 3D version, and okay, I love this. I also generated a banana-shaped car speeds through futuristic city and highway, all that prompt, and I just simply say just make it, and look what we got. It's also very interesting. Let's play this video.
Neon dreams ignite the night. Skyscrapers pierce the sky. Rocket, a cool raccoon with shades, peels out in a banana car. Conformity's enforcers arrive. Police drones descend, cutting through the air. The chase is on.
physics and movement happening right now. It's almost looking like we are watching some kind of highly CGI made, highly funded movie, and this is what I'm talking about. Sora 2 is no joke when it comes to generating these kind of high quality visuals. Okay, so we also have a very interesting video right now. So I just say a slow drone shot of a forest valley. So yeah, it's a natural shot of like rainforest, kind of different kind of video of clouds, mountains from the drone shot, and I experimented like how, let's see how HeyGen performs it, and it performed really well. You can see right now the proper captions with proper, actually really accurate voiceovers with proper AI generated drone shots, and this is what I'm talking about when it comes to generating such high quality videos. HeyGen is doing really well with, it's almost like Sora 2 on the steroids. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.